Introducing the 2024 Ford Puma Saint line. This sleek and stylish MPV in white boasts top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and much more. With a 1-litre engine and manual transmission, this vehicle offers both power and efficiency. Safety is paramount with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags included. Plus, enjoy luxurious details like cup holders and a spoiler. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.